So let's talk about the wireless revolution. So when it started, right, and how it progressed day by day, right? And the cellular is the fastest growing sector of communication nowadays, right? So you can see the exponential growth in cellular communication because we have started in 1982, right? And now we are in the era where we can say that we are going to offer 5G or maybe 6G services, next generation services. So all started from the generation. So first generation analog 25 to 30 kilohertz, FM voice only. So the first generation cellular network can only support voice, and the quality was not as good as for the conventional PSTN, public switch telephone network. And then they came